Hello students, today we will continue our chapter Teeth and Microbes. I am your science teacher Sakshi Mathur. So let's start the video. What are microbes and where are they present? What is the role of microbes? Whether they are harmful or useful to us? Let's find out in this video. They are the short form of microorganisms. Right students? Short form of microorganisms is the microbes. They are the extremely small living things which can be seen only through a microscope. We cannot see the microbes with our naked eyes. Okay? So if we want to see microbes, they are to be seen through a microscope only. And where are they present? In the air, water and on land. They multiply very fast and grow in the warmth, moisture, food and air. So this was the introduction about microbes, that they are extremely small things which can be seen only through a microscope and are present everywhere. Whether it can be present in the air, water, land, and they multiply very fast. That means their growth is very fast. They release some chemicals that makes the food rot and smell foul. That means it makes our food rot and very smelly. Okay. Now we will study the types of microbes. There are 4 types of microbes, students: bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi. I am again repeating. Listen carefully the pronunciations: bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi. Clear? Next. What is this, students? Can you identify which picture is this and what it is called? Let's study the picture deeply. This picture is of bacteria. Okay students, this is a type of microbe and bacteria looks like this. It is the simplest and the smallest form of plant life. Bacteria are very small and the simplest form of the plant life. They grow very easily and they are present everywhere. Most common type of microbe. They can be round, spherical or rod shaped. The shape can be anything. They can be round also, spiral or rod shaped. Next, which picture is of this? You have seen this picture in news also. Very common microbe. The name of the microbe is virus. Right? You all are listening these days also. They are smaller than bacteria and cannot be seen with a simple microscope. Okay students, all the microbes have to be seen with a microscope only. The virus has to be seen through a special type of microscope because they are very small. They are smaller than bacteria also. Next, which picture is this and what type of microbe is this? This is protozoa. You can see the picture and identify that this is the picture of protozoa. They are small living things and are found in fresh water, salty water and in soil. So where are protozoa present? They are present in fresh water, salty or in soil. Clear students? This is the most common type of microbes which can be seen in our houses also, and you must have seen. Have you seen that a bread has this type of image at your house if you keep a bread for a very long time in a poly bag? Yes, you will observe this, that it is the example of fungi. Fungi are Plants like organisms that grows in decaying matter. That means decaying means the part of the food which is not good, which is for our body. That means it is the waste basically. They grow in dark, warm and moist places. Where does fungi grow? Dark, warm and moist places. So you have studied about the four types of microbes: bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. Harmful and useful of microorganisms. That means, are these microorganisms useful to us or harmful to us? Let's find out. Useful microbes. What are useful microbes and where do they help us in our daily life? Let's study. Some bacteria convert milk into curd. Yes, students. The conversion of curd. Curd is basically the dahi, right? The conversion of milk into curd takes place with the help of bacteria named lactobacillus. Okay, students. So bacteria are also useful to us. Microbes are not completely bad for human beings. No, they also helps in conversion of milk into curd. Some bacteria help in decay of dead plants and animals. Yes, if some bacteria are present in the soil, they help in the decaying of dead plants and animals. They also help in the digestion of food in our body. Bacteria also helps in digestion of food in our body. So what are the three usefulness of microbes? That is, first is they convert the milk into curd, decay of dead plants and animals, and help in the digestion of food in our body. Fungus. Now we have studied the bacteria usefulness. Viruses and protozoa does not help. The fungi, which is called as the yeast, is used to make the bread soft and spongy. You might have seen your bread very spongy, right? The pav which you see, it's very spongy. Why? Because of the fungus called as yeast. Y-E-A-S-T. Y is silent. Yeast. Okay? Harmful microbes. Now, all microbes are not good for human beings. They might harm also. They might causes disease also. Let's find out. Disease causing microbes are called as the germs. What are germs called as? Disease causing microorganisms. Now we have studied the four types of microbes, that is bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. Now if bacteria are present in our body, they that does not mean that they are useful to us only. No, they help our body to grow the diseases. They can build our body to prone to diseases. So what are the diseases caused by bacteria? That is cholera, typhoid, tetanus, pneumonia. What are the diseases caused by bacteria? Cholera, typhoid, tetanus, pneumonia. Is it clear? You have to learn the diseases which are caused by bacteria. We should not allow bacteria to sit in our body or to get in our body. Okay? Otherwise, it will cause diseases in our body. Virus. If virus is present in our body, what type of diseases which are most common occur in all the human beings? Polio, chickenpox, measles, viral fever, common cold and dengue. Polio, chickenpox, measles, viral fever, common cold and dengue. Okay, students. Now, if protozoa is present, what type of diseases can be caused in our body? Malaria and dysentery. Malaria and dysentery. Fungi. What are the diseases through fungi? Ringworm, athlete's foot, food poisoning. Okay? Ringworm, athlete's foot and food poisoning. So you have to learn all these diseases caused by the microorganisms. Protection from harmful microbes. How can you protect yourself from the microbes? Keep your body and surroundings clean. Very important. Your surroundings should always be clean. Otherwise, germs will sit on your body and they can get inside. Right? So keep your body and clean it. Do not eat uncovered food from roadside stalls. You should never eat the food from the roadside stalls which are uncovered. Okay? Trim your nails regularly, because if the dust or the germs get inside your nails, whenever you eat your food through your hands, it will directly get into your mouth, and which we do not want. Right? We do not want our body to get prone to diseases. Right, students? We want a healthy diet and a healthy body. So you should trim your nails regularly. Trim means cut your nails. Wash your hands before and after going to the toilet with soap. Wash your hands after going to the toilet with the soap. Follow regular vaccine schedule. That means if your vaccination is due, you should follow them on regular basis as per it is scheduled. So you should all follow these points to get protected from the harmful microorganisms. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.